Hello sir. See, as you can see here, this is my main. Okay, this is my main, the name. This is my access authentication. Have face, Bluetooth, then this pin, finger, and then card. So this is the way it is. Once you added the access level, okay, on the door, you can allow it is here. See, what's written here is allow the person to grant temporary access to other under the person's competence on the apps. Okay, what's the meaning of that? You can give the pin code for temporary access using the tenant's account. Okay, let me show you. From here, I have this user, this ReLAN. Okay, so I also allow. So the apps, let's go on the apps. So this is the apps of ReLAN here. See, now you can generate here temporary pass. Okay, you can add here. You can name maybe McDonald's delivery. Okay, access granting. Okay, you can select the door. Where's the door? Here, there. Okay, and then you can configure which date, which time the access granting will be allowed. Okay, remarks, please deliver burger, same like this. Okay, and not only, so I can generate now. Sorry, end time should be later, so this is the duration. Generate. See, now this is the pin code of the guy or the delivery man. So here, pin code, how many times allowed? 10 times, end time, and then starting time. Then you can share this one. Share to whom? Direct, WhatsApp, Messenger, anything here on the mobile. Okay, so that's all.